Should you have two tax preparers, one for your business and one for your personal taxes? Many entrepreneurs and small business owners have one person doing it all, but it could benefit you to have two. So let's just talk now about the pros and the cons. First, the pros, a positive note. Starting with number one, expertise. Your business taxes and your personal tax rules are going to be different, so it might be to your advantage to have two separate people with deep knowledge in each area. Second, there's going to be strategy. A dedicated business tax preparer does more than just crunching the numbers. They're going to be thinking strategically about your taxes. Now, this is going to be true of the personal side too, but with your business, you have more control over your net profit and what you do with it. For example, let's say that your business will have a $350,000 net profit at the end of the year. Tax on that's going to run about $100,000. Now, the knee-jerk reaction would be to flesh out the whole $350,000 in profit through investment-type expenses. I'm going to do a new hire, marketing campaign, something like that. But the alternative viewpoint would be to say, well, I'm going to have $250,000 in cash after I pay my taxes. Can I use that money to reinvest in the business so that I get $100,000 more next year and the year after that and the year after that and grow your business that way? Then finally, you're getting two perspectives on taxes. You're getting the benefit of playing each tax preparer off of each other. So each is going to bring a unique viewpoint. Number one. Number two is that they're potentially going to be catching errors that the other might miss. So it not only enhances the accuracy of your tax filings, but also builds a more robust financial strategy. Now, I recently dealt with a situation where this is exactly what happened. The business tax guy made a mistake. The personal tax guy caught it. Now I'm helping the owner deal with the business tax guy in the amendment process. And that's what got me thinking about this topic. But there are some drawbacks to consider, of course. There are trade-offs. First, there's the potential for misaligned strategies. If your business and personal finances are closely linked, like the sole proprietor or S-corp owner, having different tax preparers might lead to strategies that don't quite align. So it's going to complicate your overall tax planning, it's not going to simplify it, and it's clearly not what you're looking for. Second, it's more time-consuming to communicate with two different parties, which makes the whole process more cumbersome. And that leads to the third issue, which is that with two parties, it will likely cost more. Hiring two specialists typically costs more than one person for both jobs, and for small business owners, every penny counts sometimes. So it needs to be justified by bringing on the specialists. In conclusion, though, it ultimately depends on your budget, the nature of your business, complexity, and your confidence in your tax people. Now, the tax people might not be happy about having a competitor in the mix, but you know what? That's their issue. Overall, I am in favor of it. Having two people on your tax team adds depth to the business. So that's it for this edition of Your Money in Your Business. Let me know what you think in the comments. And of course, until next time, as always, live richly.